What's up, everyone? So this is Night Trading, and today is Friday, March 12th. So happy Friday, everyone. So today I'm gonna go over my recap. Lighter day today. It's probably be a short recap video. Only did three stocks today. CTRM, TRCH, and RGLS. Making a total of $492 today. So just want to remind everyone that I only trade two strategies, and that is the long setup flags, right? So I'll show you an example of that on CTRM today, and also the short setup, which I did today as well. So you'll see two examples of the two strategies I trade from these three trades. But before I get started on the recap, don't forget to follow me on my socials on the link below, and hit the subscribe and like button for future videos. Alright, so let's get started. So the first trade I'll go over is CTRM. CTRM, let me clear some lines here and draw new lines. So first thing I see was so this was notified during my stream in the morning by one of my subscriber, and he pointed out that CTRM was a decent day today, or it was going up, and right when he alerted, I saw the chart and it looked really good. Hey Tony, I'll be on Twitch later, shortly after this, to hang out. So I'm doing a recap right now, and it'll be a quick video. So for CTRM, it was alerted. I checked out the chart and it looked awesome because it tested all the time frames. So you can see all these lines here. It was tested. I saw the flag play here, so you can see there's a flag, and then if you draw a support line, you can see this was support, became resistance, and now became support. So what I saw here that gave me conviction to take this trade was the support line held as support, and when it broke the 295 here, or 98.50, 98 cents 50, I took a position there with my risk off of 98 cents. So it's just a half a cent risk. So you can size in, 10,000 shares. That'll be $50 loss. So I sized in $10 shares here to start out. And then when I saw it breaking, I continued to added 20,000 shares here for the $1 break. I sold a third of my position on that $1 break, pretty much flat. I end up downsizing a little bit here and then re-adding for this $1 pop again, and sold at 102s, 101s, pretty much at those highs. And then it kept consolidating for a really long time. So there's a big tug of war here. End up breaking high of day, and sold. I think my highest sell was 103s up here. It actually went 105. So this is going to be an interesting day on the coming weeks. Next week, I think there will be a continuation. But this was a good trade for a total of $397 on CTRM. So this was an example of the flag pennant setup that I just went over. Next trade is TRCH. So this was a $71 winner right here, and this was a cup and handle setup. So let me zoom in here. I'll remove some drawings to kind of get a clearer picture. But what I saw here was a trend line here. It tried higher day. It was too extended, and I was looking for a retest on the 5-minute chart. So what happened was it created this inverted cup and handle here, broke. I started short, covered, and covered, and then I accidentally misclicked and bought 100 shares, so I just took it off right away. But that was a $71 win. There was a reshort opportunity here on the retest of this support, and it actually trended lower. So pretty much what the pattern did, so extension, cup and handle, retest, and down lower. So pretty much the pattern that is right here on the animation right here on the left there is playing. So it pretty much did that. And the next trade I did was RGLS. RGLS, same pattern. You can see an extension, short, inverted cup and handle. I took that short. I had a chance to cover a bit here because VWAP is just right there as support. So I had a feeling it'll probably bounce there. And it actually freaked me out, and I actually covered here. It ended up trying to retest these highs on this resistance support, and it failed to hold, and it went lower. But it didn't give a good opportunity to short, but you can see there's possibly a 5-minute cup and handle here, a really wide one for that break, and potentially go to the 15-minute chart. But this was just a quick win. I didn't really have high conviction on this due to this bounce, and the target was pretty close to the entry. So but all in all, up a total of 492 for the day on these 3 stocks, mostly on CTRM play, but decent day. So still up green for the all days in March. So I'm gonna try to keep staying green for as long as I can and minimize my losses. So that's all I have for today on my daily recap. But feel free to hang out with me on Twitch, Snipe Trading, and probably hang out there for a few hours before I sign out. And alright, so thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Alright, bye.